Hi, we're back at Olympic Plaza today, and we're really excited. We haven't had a show since March 12, and it's so great to finally be back at work. We're in the rain. It's been raining all day, and all our crew had a big smile from ear to ear, and usually on a rainy day we wouldn't be like that, but it's just so good to be back and to be doing shows. Today we were hired by the University of Calgary to do a campaign close event for their fundraising effort that's been going on for a while, and we're really excited to be able to help them out. We were hired to light the building across the street, so we're lighting the old library, which is now the Department of Architecture for the University of Calgary. We are in the process of doing position and coloring the building and putting some messaging on it. Also today, we were hired to light two more things on the university itself. The arch as you walk into the property, and also the brand new McKinney building. So on the 15th floor of the McKinney building, we are turning that entire floor red, so you should be able to see it glowing from afar. Really exciting day overall for Orange Frog today. We're just so happy to be here, although we're in the rain, but it's just been great. Also, it's COVID season now, so we've been able to do all this with, in a safe manner. We're wearing our mask. Everybody was keeping as much distance as we could, and we had great COVID-19 PPE procedure in place, and everybody embraced it. We're back at work, we're happy to be here, and if you need help with anything, give us a call. We'd love to help you light one of your buildings or put a logo on a wall or do whatever it is you need to make your event special.